students in a few lessons.
Worshipful Master, I present Michael Lynn Elliott to be installed as master of this lodge. I find him to be of good morals and great skills, trusty and true, and as a lover of the fraternity, I doubt not he will discharge his duties with fidelity and with honor.
My brother is to your investiture. It is necessary that you signify your assent into those ancient charges and regulations which point out the duty of a master of a lodge. You agree to be a good man and true and strictly to obey the moral law?
I do.
You agree to be a peaceful citizen and cheerful to conform to the laws of the country in which you reside?
I do.
You promise not to concern in plots of conspiracy against the government, but patiently to submit to the laws and the constitutional authorities?
I do.
You agree to pay proper respect to the civil magistrates, to work diligently, live creditably, and act honorably by all men?
I do.
You agree to hold and reverence the original ruler and patrons of the order and their regular successors, supreme and subordinate, according to their station, and to submit to the awards and resolutions of your brethren, and the lodge convened in every case consistent with the constitutions of the order?
I do.
You agree to avoid private picks and quarrels, and to guard against intemperance and excess?
I do.
You agree to be cautious in your behavior, courteous to your brothers, and faithful to your lodge?
I do.
To respect the genuine brethren, and to disencount impostors and all dissenters from the original plan of Masonry?
I do.
You agree to promote the general good of society, to cultivate social virtue, and to teach the knowledge of the mystic arts?
I do.
You promise to pay homage to the Grand Master. For the time being, and his office when duly installed, and strictly to conform to every edict of the subversive to the principles and groundwork of Masonry?
I do.
You admit that it is not in the power of any man or body of men to make innovations in the body of Masonry?
I do.
You promise a regular attendance